ng buhok ni Bianca, di ba? Sana dalawa ang puso ko.
Sobrang haba.
Gusto ko rin sabihin yon, sana dalawa ang puso ko. Hello! Hoy, palakpakan po natin, Dustin Yu, Bianca De Vera, and Will Ashley. Guys, bumati naman kayo. Hinintay kayo ng mga taga-yuma ko.
Guys, pakicheck lang baka natatapakan niyo yung buhok ni Bianca dyan sa mga upuan ninyo. No?
Sana all. Hoy, bumati naman kayo, guys.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Kamusta po kayo? Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras na inilaan para tayo po yung magtipon-tipon para sa hapon na ito.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat! Hello! Thank you so much for having us. Talaga namang nag-enjoy kami dito mag-perform sa harap nyo. So, thank you guys! Thank you, hello!
Hi everyone, ako si Dustin Yu. Maraming salamat sa oras nyo at abangan natin tong next batch ng MMFF. At good to see you all at maraming salamat ulit.
Yun naman. Thank you very much. Stay pa kayo
Kasi kanina sa audience, tinitingnan ko nandun si Direk May eh. Si Direk May, ang director namin ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay.
Hi, Direk May.
Pero balita ko, meron din daw kayong pagsasamahan. Ay, wala na. O, wag na natin daw pag-usapan.
Andito silang tatlo para po tulungan tayong balikan ang ating first 4 official movie entries. Kaya naman tawagin po natin ang ating pinakamamahal na MMFF Executive Director, Attorney Rochelle Macapili-Ona, and MMFF Chairman Romando Artes, kasama po si Direk Jose Javier Reyes, Chairman and CEO of Film Development Council of the Philippines. At si Tita Boots! Tita Boots, please join us on stage.
Ito na, papunta na tayo sa exciting part.
Oo.
Eto na yun.
Ang first 4 na napili last July, okay? Our first film is a comedy film directed by June Robles Lana and directed and written by Daisy Kayanan, Daniel Sanyana, and June Robles Lana, with lead stars, the one and only Vice Ganda and the one and only Nadine Lustre from From ABS-CBN Film Productions Incorporated, the Idea First Company, and Viva Communications Incorporated. This is the film called Call Me Mother.
Perfect on Mary at yung kaka-announce lang na Bar Boys After School.
May we call on all 8 films official movie entries for MMFF if you want to go on stage and have a photo with everyone.
Yay! Congratulations sa inyong lahat! completes our 8th official movie entries for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. Call Me Mother, Manila's Finest, Reconnect, Shake, Rattle and Roll, Evil Origins, plus I'm Perfect, Love You So Bad, Unmarried, and Bar Boys After School.
Kaabang-abang ang mga papanoorin natin this December 2025. Again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagpunta at nag-witness. Austin, Will, Bianca, Jason, River, Alvon, and Elijah, and to our Metro Manila Film Festival Execom, congratulations!
Thank you also and congratulations to MMFF.
Supportan po natin ang Tobacco. It's a youth film festival. At ngayon,
Ganda ng sinabi niya, stand your ground. Diba? Kahit nasa mahirap yung tinatayuan mo, stand your ground.
That's right, Encho. At ngayon nga po, oras na para naman bigyan pa kayo ng ultimate na kasiyahan. Because as promised, meron po tayong special guests na hindi lamang po magbibigay ng entertainment